Good evening, all. Today we'll see COVID-19 prediction using machine learning. Okay, so today I will give some links here. I already shared some links here. That links will help you to create, train, and test data gens. And after that, will see some sequential model creation and all. Okay, this video will help you only. I will give you this demonstration. So initially I collected data set and I uploaded data set here, that is code.zip. Okay, inside I unzipped, I extracted that code.zip here. So here you can find testing dataset and training dataset. Inside testing dataset there is two folders, that is we are using binary classification, so COVID and normal. So one class, this one is another class, so two classes are available. In training also two classes are available. Testing, once training process is over, we can test it by we can test some images. So our system will identify whether it is COVID positive and COVID negative. Okay, let me extract code.zip. Okay, for that you require exclamation symbol followed by unzip. Then you need to copy this. Okay, right, select this, then click, then copy path. You need to specify it, and you can add code with the same path here. Then control enter or shift enter you can press, so that it will get extracted. Okay, next thing, you have to process this one. Here tensorflow, we are using tensorflow, we are using keras, and we are using pandas, like that. Okay. So import tensorflow as tf. That means instead of aliasing, we are aliasing this tensorflow. So anywhere if you are using any tensorflow command, then instead of that you can use tf. Okay. Mm, I'm going to type plt im show. So that is actually in python, that is that kind of option is available. You can find here, if I click, if I place my cursor here, so that so many options you can find, right? Okay, inside that there is a opencv based image reading option. That option we processed here to show the images which is available in this particular folder. Okay, yeah, I hope you already know how to select this path. So here if you want to copy some file from here, then you can select one, then you can right click here, copy path, so it will get selected, it will get selected the path. So in between these double quotes you can paste that. Okay. So initially I displayed two images, that is one images that is COVID-19 images, another one is COVID positive images. Okay. Let me go to train data generation. So here you can find that is rescaling, shear range, zoom range, horizontal flipping, and all some options, image based operations. So you can find here, that means here some data augmentation process is going on. That is what image data generator. Okay, I am going to share this. Okay, so here you can see that how to create train data generation and how to select that folder to get this. Okay. So I have copied this from here to here and I pasted here. Okay, for training data generation. And after the train set, I just copied this one, train set. Okay, I copied this one and I pasted here. Instead of 150 by 150, I have selected 64 by 64, and I executed it. So it displayed that found 50 images belonging to two classes. So each classes is having some set of uh, images, that is 25 images there, 25, 25, 50 images are there in two classes, that is two classes. One is covid, then another one is normal. That means these are all the two classes. Okay, after that I have selected data test data generator. In that I have used only rescaling approach, that is normalization approach. Rest is not required. In the case of training, these all required, but in the case of testing, this resizing only required. Why? Because we are not going to shift, we are not going to rotate, we are not going to flipping any image. We just want to check that image, right? So that and all options not required here. Resizing is required for normalizing data. Then the same thing I copied here. Okay, here you can find the same code is there, right? Then up to this we completed. Then we need to we need to apply model fit, right? But before moving to that, I need to specify model details. So here it is sequential, so that as a CNN sequential model. Okay, sequential model consists of, there are lots of options are available. So this page you can visit and you can try all this. Okay, you can try all this. That means in convolutional neural network feature extraction, that is inbuilt process, and it consists of some layers. Okay, that may be pooling layer, that may be convolution layer, that may be some other techniques, right? Once this feature extraction process is over, then there is an inbuilt feature selection process, that is either SGD or Adam optimizer. So SGD, that is stochastic gradient descent. Okay, that and all we will see in the next next videos. Okay, so here this is one type of example. Okay, I'm not going to try this and all we will see in the next days. So I'm here, I selected based on my concept. I have selected this. Okay, I executed that here. Okay, once the execution process is over, you can find tick mark in the left corner. Okay, so here Adam optimizer used, and epochs here considered, that is 25, and X, that is training set, validation data, that is actually testing data. So the same, that training set, testing that and all we already specified here. Training set, then test set we already specified here. Okay. So after 25 iteration is over, after that I have processed this one. Okay, that is loading of image. I need to test particular image. I have selected one COVID-19 image, and its target size is 64 by 64, and some kind of coding has processed here. Okay, so after that I received a correct prediction. Okay, this is how COVID-19 detection by the help of convolutional neural network. I hope you all got some idea regarding that. Okay, next day we will see some other application. Okay, so up to that, take care of your health. Okay, have a good time, guys. Okay, bye.